Good morning, it's John with GreenKey. We're on our first job of the day today, and we're installing a 48 amp 4-connected charger at a customer's home. We're in their garage right now. Here's our panel. I've already pulled the cover off. We're gonna be running conduit above their garage door. Over to the other side here, we're gonna mount the charger right here on the wall, and we'll put the holder, the reel for the cord right here. And just looking at a couple things. Here is the 4-connected charger. We're going to be running a 60 amp circuit for this 48 amp charger. Pretty simple job overall, and after we've got it all complete, we'll show you what it looks like. All right, so we've wrapped up our job and we'll show you all what it looks like. Here is the panel. We've got our 60 amp breaker for our electric vehicle charger at the top there, EVSE, electric vehicle supply equipment. You can see our conduit run starts at the junction box right there, runs over the garage door, over to this side where it hits the wall, and then we have our Ford Connect EV charger, 48 amp charger, and the cord. And that's all there is to this one. We'll see you next time. Have a great one.